look in on the skies over the Northern Valley from our home of economy camera there in Devil's Lake. Some high cirrus clouds, but nothing threatening at all as we take you into the evening hours. Here is a look at your current conditions in the FM area. 90 degrees this hour, 91 at Moorheads Airport. Still gusty, but down to under 30 miles per hour. That's winning the battle after gusts over 50 earlier today, toppling things like tree branches and trailers on highways. 90 in Fargo, 88 Wahpeton, 87 in Grand Forks. So the focal point for the heat is here in the Southern Valley and Lakes Country, also pretty warm in western Otter Tail, upper 80s there. Lower 80s out to the far west in Jamestown. Seeing some thunderstorms off to the east of Winnipeg. We may see some development here in our northern counties. There is a slight risk that a few of those storms, if they do develop, could be strong thanks to our volatile atmosphere, but the main threat would be some hail here and there. Our model does not paint much of a picture of thunderstorms, but the best chance will be up near Lake of the Woods in our northern counties. Temperatures sneaking down towards the 80s. And Mike, a highlight for you is the fact that the wind will be gusting to 3 miles per hour in the 10 o'clock hour here in Fargo. Doesn't look too strong at all as we go through the overnight hours for most of us. A very quiet night of restful sleep as opposed to having the trees whacking against the side of the house. Now, as you take a look at your morning temperatures, it'll be a little sticky out there. We'll be in the 60s to near 70 degrees to get our day started, and by midday, those winds start returning. Here's the good news. It will not be as gusty for our day on Tuesday. The yellow arrows here help highlight areas that will have the winds gusting over 30 miles per hour. So the Southern Valley, Fargo, and in eastern North Dakota. If you're up north, though, not as much wind. Midday and afternoon thunder showers will be possible as we go through the afternoon and evening hours, though more robust cells will develop in the western Dakotas. And this energy here will be working our way during the wee hours of the overnight. The best chance at seeing some strong thunderstorms on Tuesday will be our far western counties. More on thunder chances here in a minute, but for your Tuesday, a toasty one indeed. 73 to start, 83 by the 10 o'clock hour of the morning. So that's hot, and the wind does pick up in the afternoon, gusting to 35 miles per hour in Fargo as opposed to 55 miles per hour gusts. We'll see temperatures peaking at 90 for the second straight day or better. And we'll see a lot of us near 90 degrees for the day tomorrow, including Lakes Country and Bemidji. Babe the Blue Ox will probably have to ask Paul to shed the flannel tomorrow. Here's Tuesday's risk of severe weather. Late developing in the western, moving into the central North Dakotas. Where you see the yellows here, there's a slight risk, which means we'll see some large hail and some gusty winds caused by these storms that move through. They will move into our western counties very late at night, probably more towards daybreak. And they could still be robust, but we're not expecting widespread severe. Our chance comes on Wednesday. That is when we'll have a chance for some damaging winds, large hail potential with these storms. They develop in the afternoon and last into the night as they drift off into Minnesota. And that's the real picture right now. So we have declared Wednesday a first alert weather day. Be alert of weather around your area and know that any storms that form in the afternoon and evening on Wednesday could be severe. An absolutely stunning photo by Tom Lake Itasca. They're at the headwaters of the Mississippi River. And it is going to be a hot one tomorrow and breezy once again for sure. Windy on Wednesday with a decent chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms. It could be strong to severe. Look at the cool down that we closed the work week off with on Thursday and Friday. We'll be in the 70s. And for Father's Day weekend, we'll highlight a chance of Saturday showers. Sunday, for the most part, looks dry. Hit and miss sprinkles on Father's Day, Mike, with a 71-degree day. Comfortably cool, we'll call it, after the heat of the early work week.
What do you know about the wind on the weekend?
The wind does not look like it's been the last couple of days. So, yeah, you can put the kite away.
All right. Thanks so much.